front splitter, front lip, whatever you want to call it. There's pretty good amount of negative reviews and stuff on it, and I don't know if they've changed the materials or the finish or what since them and me getting mine, but I just want to let y'all know on how I feel about mine, how's mine's holding up. I've had it on here for several thousand miles, and before I spray it off to show y'all, it's filthy. The car is filthy. I do drive this thing. It has, I'm sure, encountered tons and tons of road debris. We just got back. We just were on the track yesterday at Talladega. I ride behind my friend Gear all the time. There's rock chips all over my car because his car slings rocks. Nothing big, but like here's a little guy right here. Obviously, if it puts a nick in the paint, it should put a nick in that. But I'm going to spray this off real quick, and I'm going to show y'all how mine is holding up. Alright, so let's get down here. Yes, it's wet. That's not affecting the way that it looks. The videos I've seen, people's were absolutely chewed up, so they might have changed it. I don't know. But as far as the way that I got mine, and it is a rough, it's a matte material as well, but it's also pretty rough. I don't really know how to explain it. But as you can see, I don't even see a single rock chip on it anywhere, even up here on the front where it would definitely have taken some impacts. So as far as the current Cervini front splitters, 100% recommend them. There's no issues with them. I've had mine several thousand miles. I would consider this a long-term test, and it's fine. It's perfect. It's literally like brand new. Install's a little tricky, I'm not gonna lie. The directions are not the clearest, but if you're like me, you can figure it out. But if you're worried about buying this because you've seen pictures or videos of it totally destroyed by rock chips, or the black peeling up and there's white showing or something, I saw that in a video, no issues. Mine is perfectly fine. So as far as that goes, I've got no complaints. I really do like the way it looks. It gives it a nice, much more pronounced front end, and durability's great. So that's pretty much it. And there's not much else to talk about. So if you're looking to get one and you were worried about it not being the highest quality, as far as the new ones go, and I've had this on here for as long, several months, probably almost a year now, at least 6-7 months. It's perfect. Do not be worried about it. Just go ahead and buy it, and you'll be good to go. So hopefully this did help y'all answer any questions about the durability and whatnot, and I'll see y'all in the next one.